Hello everyone, it's Kia Auto Gravity. Today we got a BMW 116 E87 old model here. We installed a large screen Android unit, the same as we last time installed it for F20. So that's 10.25 inch large screen Android unit. So basically same system but fitting into the E87. It's perfectly fitted in that slot with a BMW radio professional system, so it's non-iDrive system. So we're going to use the touch screen to operate, but if you have the iDrive system then you can use a controller to use, but still touch screen pretty fast, easy to use. You see 4G 60 4G spec, so it's pretty good. Navigation like always, easy to use. And we have Bluetooth with music streaming, video, MP3, and onboard computer car information. You can even see 33 liters left for the petrol. That is pretty cool. Then we have apps, so that's the main feature for the car. So we just like a Android tablet, so it's got all sorts of apps like Play Store. You can install all the apps you want. And the mainly, the Google Map, the YouTube, you can watch the YouTube when connected to the 4G or Wi-Fi. Yeah, and obviously Spotify music, you can listen to the music. Oh, I need to connect. Yeah, and the map, all sorts of map you can download. Then the most important, as previously explained, that we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's connect through to the USB here. With the Android Auto first. Yep. Cool. That's the one, Android Auto. So this is a new Android Auto interface. It's a large screen fitting perfectly with lots of apps on now. That's the one, map, music, etc. So that's the Android Auto. It's pretty good. Let's try the Apple CarPlay. Pretty fast, the response, easy to connect. That's it. That's the one. Full screen. Beautiful in Apple CarPlay with all the apps on. New interface iOS S13. Really cool, right? Yeah, that's the one. E87 Android unit installed. Beautifully done.